Hello बच्चों, we are going to start some examples based on integration by part along with some substitution. And what is integration by parts we have learnt in 4a. If you have not seen that video, please see. In fact, you must see all the videos of integration right from 1a. Liate is a word which you must remember. Chaliye, now we are going to solve one example which is based on integration by parts, but before that we need to do some substitution. What is that substitution? Let us see. This is the example. Integration of log x divided by x we want to find with respect to x. So we will put log x as t. समझ गए? So let t is equal to log of x. Then dt by dx becomes 1 upon x and dx becomes x times dt. Now my example becomes, which I denote by I, integral log of t divided by x multiplied by x dt. Now this x gets cancelled, so I get the further simplification as log t dt. But I don't have any formula for log t or log x for that matter. So I modify this example so that it becomes the example of by parts. Log t multiplied by 1 multiplied by dt. Now see, 1 is what? Anything raised to 0 is 1. So in our example, it is t raised to 0. So integral of 1 dt is nothing but integral t raised to 0 dt. ये हमने पहले किया था. That is t raised to 0 plus 1 upon 0 plus 1, and that is nothing but t. And log t is logarithmic function. 1 is t raised to 0 means algebraic function, and the order is correct. As per Liate, logarithmic function should come first and algebraic function should come next. Chalo, I is equal to integral log of t into 1 into dt, integral uv. What is the formula? Integral uv dt. Now instead of x I am writing t. U integral v dt minus integral derivative of u with respect to t into integral v dt, and this entire thing is with respect to t. So you can imagine now u log t integral 1 dt minus integral of derivative of u is log t dt into integral of 1 dt with respect to t. So this becomes 1 log t into integral of 1 is t minus integral derivative of log t is 1 upon t into integral of 1 is t into dt. So I write log t minus integral 1 dt, because this t gets cancelled. So it is t log t minus t plus constant of integration. And what was the value of t, bachcho? T was nothing but log x. So then this becomes log x multiplied by log of log x minus log x plus c. समझ गए बच्चों? एक बार रिवाइज करो. I have gone through this example bit fast, but please see this because next example is very interesting. We are going to solve it. चलो. What is the next example? Next example is we have to find integral x sine inverse x divided by square root 1 minus x square dx. समझ गए बच्चों? Now which is the most complicated function here? Sine inverse x. So let t is equal to sine inverse x. dt by dx, sine inverse x, derivative is 1 upon square root 1 minus x square. And dx will be square root 1 minus x square into dt. I am converting the example into t. And here x is there. So x will be nothing but sine of t. समझ गए बच्चों? So now my integration becomes, अगर नहीं समझा तो पॉज करके देखिए. x की जगह में लिखेगा साइन t. साइन इनवर्स x की जगह लिखेगा t. डिनोमिनेटर, व्हाट इज डिनोमिनेटर बच्चों? डिनोमिनेटर इज नथिंग बट स्क्वेयर रूट 1 minus x square. And what is dx? Square root 1 minus x square dt. Very interesting example. Now this square root gets cancelled. So the example becomes integral sine of t into dt. Now this is trigonometric function. This is algebraic function. We should have li, a, te. So a should be first, trigonometry should be afterward. So our t should be u and our sin t should be v. So I write on the next page, our integration is integral t into sin t dt. समझ गए? Now this is u. What is u? T is nothing but u. Sin t is nothing but v. So right hand side will be u integral v dt minus integral of derivative of u multiplied by integral of v multiplied by dt of course. तो लिखेंगे चलो t u इंटीग्रल v t इंटीग्रल साइन t dt माइनस इंटीग्रल डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u is t dt upon dt multiplied by integral of sin t dt, and this entire thing is with respect to t. चलो sin t, what is the integral? Minus cos t minus derivative of t with respect to t is 1, तो यहां मैं 1 लिखा. Integral of sin t with respect to dt is minus cos t. dt. So this becomes, see, minus t into cos t. This minus will make this plus, plus इंटीग्रल cos t dt. तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा माइनस टी cos t प्लस साइन टी प्लस c. अभी हमारा सब्स्टिट्यूशन क्या था बच्चों? अवर सब्स्टिट्यूशन वॉज t इज इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स x. चलो, सो t इज इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स x. सो x is equal to sin t. And then what becomes cos t बच्चों? Square root 1 minus x square. Because sin square plus cos square is 1. Cos square will be 1 minus sin square. Cos will be 1 minus sin square का square root. अभी ये तो अच्छी तरह से आप समझा के ले लो. ये कैसा आया? चलो, माइनस, अभी t की जगह मैं लिखेगा साइन इनवर्स x, बिकॉज आई वांट एग्जाम्पल का आंसर इन टर्म्स ऑफ x, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय cos t की जगह लिखेगा स्क्वेयर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर, प्लस साइन t की जगह लिखेगा x प्लस c. समझ गए बच्चों? समझ गए? चलो, यही अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है. Normally it is better to write the square root before. So square root 1 minus x square multiplied by sin inverse x plus x plus c. अच्छा, ये कैसा आया? चलो मैं आपके लिए फिर से समझाता हूं. sin square t plus cos square t is always 1. So sin square मतलब x square plus cos square t is equal to 1. So cos square t is equal to 1 minus x square and then cos t will be square root. समझ गए बच्चों? ये एग्जाम में ऐसा नहीं करने का, रफ में अच्छी तरह से करके यहाँ आंसर लिखने का. समझ गए बच्चों? थैंक यू वेरी मच. अच्छी तरह से वीडियो देखते रहो.